All right, so sorry. Hi. So yeah, I came to school early to sand our boards for the egg roll activity, and I already did 3 boards yesterday, but I figured I'd show you this part since I showed you, I showed you the guy sawing our planks at Lowe's for you. So enjoy. And I like power tools. This is my new sander. Ooh, last year I got my first drill. So the next one is a table saw. Then I can really build. Yeah, then I'm good. All right, let me show you. Okay. What do I have? Okay. Tissue box it is. Okay, that's perfect. Let's see. Gloves. My dust mask for now, and my goggles with the vents open, not open, opening vents, because I was steamy yesterday. Oh, and I have a window open, and my sander has a vacuum, so it has a little pouch to catch most of the sawdust, not all of the sawdust, but that's okay, it's good enough. Alright, so here we go. Ready? Alright, well, I'm gonna finish up and have a good one. Later.